two coins are tossed once, find the probability of getting two heads and at least one tail. Two heads is first question and at least one tail. See, when two coins are tossed, okay, the sample space will be, see, the outcomes will be like, you can write like this: head, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, tail. So the sample space will be, you can write head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So this is the sample space. So number of elements in sample space, it will be like 4. Here 4 elements: head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Now here the first question is, what is the probability of getting two heads? So you can write, let E1, here you can write, let E1 be the event of getting two, event of getting two heads. So E1 be the event of getting two heads. Then see here, then E1 will be, so two heads here, we have like only one outcome. So head, head, that implies here number of elements in E1 is 1. So probability of getting two heads, therefore probability of getting two heads is probability of getting two heads, or otherwise you can write probability of E1, event E1. So probability formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. See, we'll write number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So number of favorable outcomes is 1, total outcomes is 4. Or you can write in this way. So event is here, n of E1 is 1 favorable outcome, total is 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. In the same way, if you'll see the next question, second question, I'll consider it as event E2. So let E2 be the event of getting at least one tail. At least one tail. So here then E2 will be, so at least one tail. See here, at least means you can get one or more than one. So I can take this class, because here we have one tail. I can take this one. Here also we have. Here also. These three cases I can consider. So here head, tail, tail, head, tail, tail. So that implies number of elements in E2 is 3. So probability of getting at least one tail, probability of getting at least one tail, that is probability of E2, event E2, number of elements in E2, favorable outcomes, by total outcomes. So that is nothing but 3 by 4, 3 upon 4.